Welcome to SAM, Automotive Service IT, Workshop and Service Management Solutions. In this video, we're going to show the time clocking function, an add-on that you can get with SAM. We encourage all SAM users to use this add-on. Once the jobs are created, we have our job number, of course. Now there's usually a separate computer placed in the workshop. Clicking into time clocking, these buttons represent a different technician. If John is doing the work, well, click on John and we can type in the job number. It will tell us it's a service for John Brown and his vehicle and registration. We click OK to start the job, and this will track the complete time that this job takes. We'd recommend that the technician take the job card from the service manager, find the vehicle, put it on the hoist and do the entire job, cleaning, etc. Park the car outside and then clock out of the job before clocking on to the next one. This gives us the full picture and quantity of time for that complete job. If it's a non-job, there is a non-job option. For instance, there's no work or we're coming early in the morning. This can be a customized list of different types of non-vehicle related jobs or work. For example, for an apprentice, coming in first thing in the morning and going on to do a cleaning job. A green background means we've clocked onto a job and making money. Blue means a non-job, where we're tracking it, but we're not charging it. When John has finished this job, he clicks onto his name, he clocks out. From this screen, he can load his own story about the job. For example, also fixed a noisy brake caliper. From here we can spell check, click OK, close and clock out of the job. It then says what's happening next, as we'd like to track their entire day. This is based on the technician's profile. They then move on to a second job, click on the job, click OK, and they're now working and being tracked on that job. When we go back to the workshop and look at that job, the notes and times have been automatically added. Click into the job and it's posted how long it took and has rounded to the nearest unit. We can now override this if needed to change it to what the job is actually worth. From within the job, we can use the margins button, and it shows how long we booked for the job and how much we charged for the job. This can be important to review in the whole process of the job. If there was a part in the job, margins then also reflect the part and the margins we made. Once we've clocked time to jobs, we can then generate reports. The most common report at a summary level is the labour hours summary report. For our main technician, he was available for 96 hours. He had a week's holiday. He clocked some other time for cleaning, etc. He was available for 52 chargeable hours. It also shows hours clocked and hours charged. This then flows through available recovery, our efficiency, and paid productivity, and the available productivity. At the bottom of the report, it gives us the breakdown. The detailed labour report will be recommended to look at on a daily basis. This reviews what a technician has done, in this case for the last week. This shows us the clocking detail for every job for every technician, gives us the total time, the total paid, and of course their total unpaid. Why not give us a call or send us an email? We look forward to hearing from you.